All right, we're on example 4. And with example 4, we have a skinny triangle. And this skinny triangle is still a right triangle because it has this symbol, 90 degrees. And the base is going to be 15. And the height is going to be of 3. So what we have is this. Area equals half the base times height. So when we put this in, area equals half times 15 times 3. It doesn't matter what order I put this in, I'm going to wind up with a fraction. So that means we have a bunch more side work to do. So with my side work, I've got this. With my side work, I've got half times 15. Now, I've got to turn 15 into a fraction, so I'll do 15 over 1. So 1/2 times 15 over 1, I'm going to get 15 over 2. So what I'm going to do is this. I finished with the 1/2 times 15, 1/2 multiplied by 15, and I'll put the answer right here, 15 over 2. So 15 over 2 times 3. So remember, when I have a fraction, or when I have a fraction times a whole number, I can turn this into a fraction, or rational number, by putting it over 1. So now I've got this. Area equals 15 times 3, which is 45, and 2 times 1, which is 2. I got a little bit more to do for my side work. So my side work is going to have this now. I'm going to get 45 over 2, and I'm going to divide it to see what this is going to be simplified. So 2 goes into 4 2 times. I bring down my 5. 2 goes into 5 2 times, and I have a remainder of 1. So what I could do is this. I could say area equals 22 1/2 because my remainder goes in the numerator, and this goes into my denominator. Or I could say area equals 22.5. And this is units squared. All right, so with example 4, let's go on to example 5. And example 5 is going to look like this. Ooh, dots. Example 5 is going to look like this. With example 5, I've got a triangle that's kind of tilted on its tip. But now I've got 20 and I've got 15. So we do area equals half the base times height. I want you guys to understand that this is still the height, even though it's kind of slanted, and this is still considered the base. So area equals half of 15 times 20. Using one of our fancy properties, I'll rearrange it, and I'll do half of 20 times 15. So now I have half of 20 gets me 10, and I have 10 times 15. Now there's a trick that I can do. The trick that I can do is this. I'm going to multiply 1 times 15, and I have 15. I have an extra 0 right here, so I'll put 0 right there. My area then, area equals 150 units to the second power, 150 units squared. So let's put in example 6. We've got example 7 for our last one, but we got example 6 right here. And example 6 looks like this.